Welcome to our guide on troubleshooting PS5 controller issues on your iPhone. Let's dive into fixing those pesky problems. Common problem 1, Bluetooth connectivity issues. You might notice your controller not connecting properly. Let's identify the symptoms and troubleshoot. Common problem 2, if your controller isn't recognized, the best step is to reset it. We'll go through how to do this and pair it again with your iPhone. Common problem 3, are you experiencing input lag during gameplay? Here are some tips to reduce lag and enhance your performance. Common problem 4, button mapping discrepancies can be frustrating. Let's check and adjust these settings on your iPhone. Common problem 5, charging problems can leave you unprepared. Here are solutions for ensuring your controller is charged and ready to rock. If issues persist, consider these workarounds for using your controller with your iPhone or other devices. Need further help? We've got some resources for you to dive into regarding PS5 and iPhone compatibility. To recap, we've covered several troubleshooting steps for your PS5 controller issues on iPhone. Share your experiences below.